Hello, Dr. Vaughn and classmates. My name is Kris, and this is my diversity book extension activity. The three books I chose include All Are Welcome, The Skin You Live In, and This Is How We Do It. The title of my first book, All Are Welcome. This book is a New York Times bestseller. It was published in 2018, and it is a great read-aloud book for the beginning of the school year. I like the fact that the book cover can be taken off and used as a poster, if desired. The recommended ages and grade levels for the book: ages are 4 to 8 years old, and the grade level is pre-K to second grade. The authors of this book are Alexander Penfold and Suzanne Kaufman. All Are Welcome is a book that discusses how children of diverse cultures, race, and ethnicity work, collaborate, and play together over the course of a school day. It also emphasizes about inclusiveness for children with physical differences. The book allows the reader to understand that we learn from each other's cultures and traditions. At the end of the book, the entire community comes together at the school to celebrate the Lunar New Year. In the book, it is apparent that it doesn't matter whether a child is wearing a baseball cap, hijab, yarmulke, or a patka, as they all get along in perfect harmony. The book includes illustrations of children with physical differences, as the reader sees a young boy using a white support cane, which we can all assume is either visually impaired or blind, and a girl in a wheelchair throughout the book. A great hands-on activity for this book: the children can pick out which of the people or shapes or cutouts best depict them, and they will dress the cutouts in attire that best suits that of their attire. The students will find their particular features, such as their hair color, and place the features on the cutouts. Then the students will attach their cutout or person onto the poster board using glue. The poster board is entitled All Are Welcome. The poster board will depict the class holding hands. By reading this rhyming picture book, children can learn that everyone is welcome in their classroom and at their school, no matter what their culture, race, or ethnicity is. Children will learn about cultural diversity, friendship, and community. The children will learn that they all have a place, they all belong, and they are all welcome. And just a note, I believe using foam cutouts is a great alternative to using paper cutouts for young children in pre-K or kindergarten. The title of my second book is The Skin You Live In. The book was published in 2005 by the Chicago Children's Museum. It is a wonderful read-aloud book teaching diversity among students. The illustrator, David Lee Sisko, creates vivid illustrations relaying everyday situations that will captivate young children and adults alike. The recommended ages and grade levels for this book: ages are 4 to 8 years old, grade level is pre-K to second grade. The picture book, The Skin You Live In, contains rhythmic patterns discussing human diversity through the use of wonderfully illustrated drawings of children with diverse skin colors. The book shows happy, smiling children with different skin colors in various situations, such as helping each other and hugging. Part of the book presents colors using food-themed metaphors that children can easily relate to, such as marshmallow treat skin. It also explains what skin is not, such as it is not tall skin, short skin, fat skin, or thin skin. It relays the message that children have different hues and are different, but everyone is beautiful, special, and the same. A great hands-on activity for this book: the teacher will provide the students with a roll of mural paper or white construction board. Multicultural crayons and markers or colored pencils can be used. The teacher can have the students make an outline using their hands on a paper, mural, or poster board and coloring them with the appropriate skin color using the Crayola multicultural crayons. The teacher can have them write their names with a marker above their handprints, and their handprints will be on a paper or poster board with the title being "We Are Different, Yet We Are All the Same." The teacher can then place the finished product on a bulletin board in the classroom or place it in the hallway for everyone at the school to admire. And another similar activity would be a handprint painting activity, which is shown. I've done an activity at my house with my kids and some of their friends that came over. The teacher would again provide the students with a roll of mural paper or white construction board paper and paper plates and washable paint. The teacher can have students mix various colors to create their special skin tone. Then have them place their handprints on the paper or board with the title being, "We are different, yet we are all the same." Again, the teacher can place the finished product on a bulletin board in the classroom or place it in the hallway for everyone at the school to admire. A note, the teacher can also have the students write their names in their handprints if desired. I wrote my name in my handprint. I'm on the middle there, and it says Kris on it, just to give you an example. The lesson children can learn from this activity. The book helps children learn about diversity, self-esteem, friendship, social acceptance, and most importantly, that no matter their skin color, they are beautiful inside and out. The title of my third book is This Is How We Do It. The non-fictional picture book is a great way to help children learn about the diverse ways people live. The book is relatively new, as it was published in 2017. Therefore, the information contained in it should be accurate and up to date. The book is thought-provoking and will stimulate children into wanting to learn more about the various cultures. There are many activities and situations displayed in the book that young children will find relatable and familiar, such as playing soccer and horseback riding. The recommended ages and grade levels for this book: ages are 4 to 8 years old, grade levels pre-K to 2nd grade. The author, Matt Lamoth, did a wonderful job writing this book. He traveled to many countries to be able to get an accurate view of the children that were in this book. The book allows the reader to go through the daily routine of 7 real children that live in 7 different countries. The countries include Italy, Japan, Iran, India, Peru, Uganda, and Russia. There is a multitude of information that can be gained from using this book, such as how the children differ in what they eat, how they learn, how they play, and much more. The book explains the diverse roles the children go through on a regular school day. Although the book is a great way to compare cultures and can be utilized learning about the diversity of the 7 children at once, it can also be a good tool for gaining information and assisting in a unit or a theme. For instance, if the theme or unit is about Japan, the book can be used for acquiring information regarding a day in the life of a child in Japan. The book provides a look at the differences and commonalities between diverse cultures. At the end of the book, the reader can meet the real families in which the book is portraying. A great hands-on activity to use with this book would be having children create their own book that displays a day in their life using multicultural markers, colored pencils, and/or crayons. The teacher will have the books ready and a sample book to view for the children using construction paper and printer paper stapled together. For younger children, the book could consist of around 3 to 4 pages, and for older children, the book could consist of around 6 to 8 pages. Time limitations and the children's ability to write and illustrate or draw would have to be taken into consideration as to how in-depth the book can be created. The lesson children will learn from the book. The book helps children learn about traditions, commonalities and differences, diversity among cultures. And just a note, by using the multicultural markers, colored pencils, and crayons, children will easily find their appropriate skin colors or hues. Thank you, Dr. Vaughn and classmates, for watching my CE 506 Diversity book extension video. Have a great day.